Namaste and welcome back to Bhavya. We are back with another budget-friendly trip plan, and this time we will be exploring Mysore for 3 days. Start your day with Chamundeshwari temple visit. Located at 12 kilometers from Mysore, you can rent a bike or book a ride and cover all places in the first day trip plan. Try reach max by 8 am. Temple opens at 7:30 am. Darshan may take around 30 to 40 minutes on regular days. It's a beautiful and perfect start for the trip. Built in Dravidian style architecture, original Chamundeshwari temple was built by Hoysala rulers in 12th century, with the temple tower added by Vijayanagara Empire in 17th century. Our next stop for the day is Wax Museum. Trip is planned in a way that you can cover all the places in the route. After temple visit, on the way back you will find this Wax Museum. This opens at 9:30 am. This showcases wax sculptures of famous people from history and contemporary personalities. Many of the sculptures look very lifelike, but not all. There are some sports and adventurous activities outside. Here you can spend around 1 to 1.5 hours. The next stop would be Sand Museum, just opposite to a seashell museum. Here nice sculptures are made of sand. It will take roughly around 30 to 40 minutes to cover this spot, as this is in a very compact area. Next stop will be Mysore Palace. Located at the heart of Mysore city, the palace is the central piece of Mysore attraction. Palace is open to visitors from 10 am to 5:30 pm. You can experience Mysore Palace through a walking tour, exploring its architecture, history, and the surrounding areas. The palace is illuminated by thousands of golden lights on Sundays and public holidays from 7 pm to 7:45 pm. After this, it would be perfect time for lunch. Have lunch, get some rest, and then head to Sri Chamarajendra Zoological Garden. Mysore Zoo is one of the India's oldest and most renowned zoo. It was established in 1892 by Maharaja Chamaraja Vadiyar. It is a well-maintained zoo with clean surroundings and healthy animals. It is must visit if you are with kids or you're one who loves animals. To try some delicious Mysore Pak, visit Guru Sweets. This shop holds a special place in the history as the first to prepare Mysore Pak for the King of Mysore. We tasted it and it was quite good. And this brings us to the end of day 1 tour. We will be covering places little distance from Mysore. We recommend hiring cab for the day if you don't have personal vehicle. So, the first stop for the day is Sri Ranganatha Swamy Temple. This temple, dedicated to Lord Vishnu, located in Sri Rangapatnam, is a stunning Dravidian style architecture, intricate carving and majestic pillars, rich history and cultural significance, a very peaceful ambience. This opens at 7 am. We recommend you starting early for the day 2 trip. Our next stop will be Ranganathittu Bird Sanctuary, where many species of bird migrate from different parts of the world. The bird watch mainly happens through boat ride. We can also spot crocodiles during the boat ride. The sanctuary is very calm and peaceful. Would highly recommend visiting in early morning. After the visit of Bird Sanctuary, head to Balamurugan and Edmuri Falls. After this, visit Venugopal Swamy Temple and KSR backwaters. Unfortunately, at the time of our visit, these were closed. So we had to go to Brundhavan garden at the noon time. You plan reaching here by evening after visiting all waterfalls and temples mentioned earlier, so that you can enjoy musical fountain show which starts at 6:30 pm. We suggest finishing your day with dinner at Triple R Hotel, and that's all for day 2. Starting day 3 with Vinayak Mylari Hotel with their different style of dosa which you get only in Mysore. This place is nearly 80 years old and is visited by many celebrities from north and south. Dosa served with a dollop of butter. Tastes very unique. Our next stop would be Karanji Lake. The main attraction here are boating and aviary. This is the biggest walk-through aviary in India. Aviary is a large enclosure for confining birds, unlike bird cages. This allows birds a larger living space. A must-visit place, different kind of experience watching birds this close. Our next stop is Rail Museum, which opens at 10 a.m. Wonderful vintage engines, locomotives on display. Explore the rail evolution here. Here is a cafe inside a train. Toy train for kids is a special attraction here. This Maharani carriage gives us a glimpse of the royalty they had even while traveling. Our next stop would be St. Philomena's Cathedral Church. It's an architectural marvel, a must visit in Mysore. Inspired by Neo-Gothic style, the beauty leaves the visitors in awestruck. Our next stop is Jagan Mohini Palace, which is now converted into art gallery. The architecture is stunning, showcasing intricate design and glimpse of royal heritage. The art gallery inside is treasure for history and art enthusiasts. If you got time, you can also cover Lalita Mahal and Aqua World Underwater Zoo. Now comes the budgeting. This is cost for a person from Bangalore to Mysore, complete trip. Train tickets cost around 300 rupees one way for chair car. Transportation within the Mysore will cost around 2000 rupees. Food will be around 1500 for 3 days. All entry tickets will sum up to around 500 rupees. An average good stay starts from 1500 rupees per night. If a couple or friend share, that comes to 750 rupees per person. We recommend to stay near railway station area as there are plenty of options available and this is the center of the city. As this is close to most of the visiting places, saves big in traveling costs. So in this way, this total trip can be completed in a budget of 6000 rupees if you are looking for a budget travel. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.